welcome. This is Noble, and we'll go to artificial intelligence was founded as an academic discipline in 1956, and we'll go to the other concept. Thank you. So the concept is in the years since has experienced several waves of optimism about AI. Okay, followed by disappointments and losses of funding, known as AI winter. There are two terms in AI. One is AI summer, when it is like everything is looking good. Right now, it's going AI summer. So when there's AI winter in AI terminology, it is like when there are losses, when everybody is disappointed. They had a lot of, actually in 1956, a lot of people expected so much from AI, but they didn't understand that AI only will work when there is a big data and you have a lot of data. Okay, so why right now AI is important, why right now AI is booming like anything, is because of data, and data is fuel for AI. And so in 1956, what happened, that a lot of people had a lot of expectations from AI. Then what happened, there were a lot of disappointments when they were not able to meet the expectations of stakeholders and all. And that lot of people said it is AI winter, like AI is going down, so that's called AI winter. Followed by new approaches, success, and renewed funding. AI research has tried and discarded many different approaches during the lifetime, including stimulating the brain, modeling human problem solving, formal logic, large database of knowledge, and imitating human animal behavior. Okay, imitating like a child. Like when a child is born, whatever he does for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, so the same thing they are trying to mimic to machines. Okay, so in the first decade of the 21st century, highly mathematical statistical machine learning has dominated the field. I said this thing, that why in 1956 it was not successful, and what happened, AI winter happened in artificial intelligence. And it was because that in 21st century we have machine learning. Machine learning is driven by statistics and data. Data is the fuel, and AI didn't have at that point of fuel. And right now it is the right time for AI, and that is why it is going to be 16 trillion US dollar industry in 2030. So I said data is the new oil. Okay, why it is new oil? Because it is going to change everything. Okay, the techniques has proven highly successful, helping to solve many challenges, problems throughout the industry and academy. So this, like academia always they were struggling with this thing, that what happened, like if you see 1956 to 21st century now, it's almost more than a decade. It's more than it is 70 years, almost 70 years. So AI is not today's concept. It is when Alan Turing actually started making Alan Turing machine. So in the next chapter, we are going to learn the various subfields of AI research, and centered around particular goal and use of particular tools. Thank you so much, guys. And AI is not for all the scientists, engineers, and all. Anybody can learn AI. You need to be aware first. Okay, anybody can do that. Whatever background you have, whatever, whether you are you just need to know English, and you can learn AI, and then you can go deeper. Then it is up to you. So thank you so much. Write down in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to change your life, and what is your vision. Thank you so much.